Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm sorry if I'm not doing my intro really good because we are about to go to the park. I'm going to do 3 vlogs today. I did 2 of them today. And I showed you guys how to do a easy twin clone thing in any kind of music app. Instagram, Snapchat, anyway. And yeah. Some people are walking by my door and it's really weird. A guy is literally staring at me. He's still staring at me. Wow. What's really? Okay. Stop. Thank God. I know. Like, what was that? Yeah, today I'll be showing you guys my squishies. I'll be showing you guys some squishies I bought two. Okay, I have this pizza one. This is a really quick one. This donut. This burger one. Yeah, and I also have these 2 ice creams. Sorry guys, you can't see my face, but I'll do another one in the park, a better one, and tomorrow you guys will have like a better experience. So I'm gonna get my new standard and my new ring light because they broke before I did anything. They broke really fast. They were like, it was like a small ring light, like that small, and then this tiny camera. It didn't break, but the ring light didn't have any batteries, and we didn't know what battery to use with it. So we bought a better one, which has a mic, and we also got a bigger ring light. I got this unicorn one. And this is my new one. Sorry guys, but this is really useless. But I'm doing it no matter what. I'm still doing it. I also have this huge one, but I don't know where it is, but it's in the living room and I can't get it because people walk by. Wow. I have this, people walk by, but I have this cute one. Why does he keep on staring at me? Oh my God. Excuse me. Okay, and I have this one. This is my favorite. It's like it's so tired, like me. Okay, it's gonna squish. I know, guys, it's just the quickest video I can make, but I'm gonna make another one at the park. And yeah, I got this one. And I have like 3 other ones, but I can't open them. Wait. Okay, got it. I got this pop thing. I don't know, my sister gave it to me. And I also got this from the Incredibles movie. Make sure you guys see the new Incredibles movie. You guys should see the new Incredibles movie. Oh my God. Please just stop staring at me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share this with friends and family. Bye. Oh my God. I'm gonna check if he's staring at me real quick. He's still staring.